Welcome. If you want to keep your Discord app up to date automatically, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable automatic updates for Discord on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store. Look for the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and give it a tap. Once you're in the Play Store, it's time to access the settings. Head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Tap on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. Now let's move on to the Network Preferences. In the Settings menu, tap on Network Preferences. This is where you can customize how your apps update. Here, you'll find the option labeled Auto Update Apps. Click on it, and you'll see a couple of choices. You can choose Over Any Network, which means your apps will update using either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Alternatively, if you prefer to save your data, select Over Wi-Fi Only. This option ensures that your apps only update when you're connected to Wi-Fi. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you'll ensure that your Discord app is always up to date without having to worry about it. Enjoy chatting, gaming, and staying connected with your friends